click on the omnidirectional arrow symbol and then just move it around. Other things you can do is you can add fonts and you can choose among. Hello guys, welcome to AI plus more, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add text on the Canva app on your phone. So first of all, you need to head over to the text option down below, and then you just need to click on add a text box. And now you can just write anything that you want. So right now I'm just going to be writing down I am a cute cat, so that it refers to the cat on the picture up here. And in order to move this, you can click on the omnidirectional arrow symbol and then just move it around. Other things you can do is you can add fonts and you can choose among the huge library that Canva has, and then you can also change this into different text styles such as a subheading. Then down here you can also change the font size. So as you can see, you can just use the slider to move it left and right. You can also change the color here. There are a lot of colors that you can use, even some that are found in the photo itself. Then you can also reformat it, make it bold. Right now this isn't available for this font, so you can turn it into bold, as well as you can also not turn it into an italicized one. Then there's also the spacing, where you can make the letters separate from each other. Then there's the effects. There's you can turn it into hollow, splice, or anything that you want. Then there's also the animate. So this is usually used for creating presentations. So for pictures, you don't really need to use this one. Then again, there's also the transparency, which is the opacity. It's about how visible your text is. And then there's also the layers part, then position. You can align it in the middle, nudge here. If you don't want to move it too much, you can use the nudge tool over here. And then if you go here to more, you also have the option to copy it or to paste it or duplicate. And then aside from that, there are a lot of things that you can do. You just need to explore. But in order to unlock a lot of the elements that you can use or the things that you can do with text, it's better if you try out Canva Pro, which you can do by checking out the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helped you. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.